It is 3 o'clock in the morning. The world is asleep. The house is very quiet. Outside, the moon is bright in silver. Inside, the rooms are filled with long, dark shadows. Meet Tom. Tom is a young man sleeping in his bed. He is having a peaceful dream. But suddenly, Tom opens his eyes. What is that noise? It sounds like a metallic click. Click, clack, tap. Tom is listening carefully. The room feels cold. Tom feels a bit nervous. He decides to investigate the sound. He puts his feet on the wooden floor. It is very cold. He stands up slowly and quietly. Tom walks to the door. The hallway outside is long and mysterious. The air is still. Step by step, he moves toward the kitchen. The mysterious sound is getting louder now. Click, clack, tap. It is coming from the kitchen floor. Tom looks around the corner. What does he see? Is it a ghost? Is it a thief? No, it is not a monster. It is his cat, Luna. Luna is playing with a silver spoon on the kitchen tiles. Tom smiles and sighs with relief. He is happy that everything is okay. "Oh, Luna," he whispers. He picks up the spoon and says good night to his cat. It is time to go back to sleep. Tom gets back into his warm bed. He closes his eyes and falls asleep again. The house is quiet once more. Good night, Tom. Good night, Luna. Stories make learning English easy and fun. See you next time.